My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications and pretty annoying advertisements that are related to the website flowvideo.ru. Flowvideo.ru is a site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button. The website says that you need to click on allow to continue your browsing. But in reality, it is a serious mistake to do that. If the allow button is clicked, the browser gets hijacked and you may be forwarded to some other websites of a bad reputation. And also, you will start receiving a lot of advertisements in the right part of the computer screen. These ads, if you click on them, may also point you to many other shady and deceptive resources that may even infect your entire system. To fix the issue, go to the menu Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this flowvideo.ru, make sure you delete it from the list. We also recommend you to use a special program that can help you fix your other browser-related issues and to remove even more serious malware. The program we recommend is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and start researching your computer to identify and eliminate all such hidden threats completely from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.